Alrighty, second graders, here we are to discuss how do animals depend on other animals. We're going to start with ants and aphids. These ants love sweet, sugary liquids. The aphids want to stay alive. You can find these insects hanging around together. So how do they help each other? Well, the aphids provide that sweet, sugary liquid for the ants, and then the ants help to protect those aphids. They keep them safe from predators. Pretty cool. This one you've probably seen a lot of before, like on TV, if you watch Animal Planet. So here we have a cow and a cattle egret. You may have seen a field with cows and noticed that a white bird called a cattle egret stands near every cow. How does the cow help the cattle egret? And how does the cattle egret help the cow? Well, the cattle egret gets rid of those bugs, those pesky bugs that cows are always flipping their tails to get rid of. Well, the cattle egret, the bird, will eat those bugs and help keep them away from the cow. And in turn, the cow is providing food for the egret because the flies follow the cows, and then the egret eats the flies. Let's do a couple more. One of my favorites, Nemo. But we know that not all clownfish are named Nemo. So we've got clownfish and sea anemones. You may recognize this fish from Finding Nemo. How does the clownfish help the sea anemone? Well, we know, especially if we've seen the movie, but this is also true in real life, that the clownfish uses the sea anemone as a place to live for protection from predators. But what you might not know is that the clownfish helps to clean the sea anemone. And believe it or not, the sea anemone is not a plant, it is an animal. And the clownfish will eat the algae and whatever other buildup is on the anemone to keep it clean. And last but not least, we have the crocodiles and plovers. This crocodile and plover work together to provide for each other's needs. How does the crocodile help the plover? It's very clear in the picture that, well, I'm not going to say it's very clear because it looks like the crocodile is about to eat the plover, but I researched it and it will not. Because the plover, that bird, cleans the crocodile's teeth. And if the crocodile's teeth are not clean, then it could actually die from it having horrible teeth. Isn't that crazy? So the plover will eat the plants and whatever leftover residues on the crocodile's teeth, kind of like he's going to the dentist to get them clean. And in turn, the plover is fed. It gets food from those crocodile's teeth. Alrighty, hope you learned a little bit more about how animals depend on animals. Get ready to answer a couple of questions.